Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you USB-C 3-in-1 hub, the PD in 100 watts. HDMI is 4K and 60 Hz. Aluminum shell over there. USB 3.2, 10 gigabit per second. Let's go ahead and open the box and see what we have inside. Here is the user manual. This is going to be awesome because this is very small and portable. Check this out. Aluminum shell. Here is the USB 3.2 and here is USB-C PD in up to 100 watts. In this area is HDMI input. This is 4K 60 Hz. We're gonna go ahead and test it and see how it's working. Let's try it on my iPhone right there. USB-C, even though with the case you can use it. Here is the HDMI input right there, and then I have the USB-C power adapter right there. You see it is immediately projecting the screen right over there. Let's check it out. There is no delay, there is no nothing, there is no trouble. At the same time it is charging. Right there, you see, it is very fast. Everything is okay right now. Okay, next thing is gonna be hard drive. I have this one, 2 terabytes. Let's go ahead and test it. And we're gonna go ahead and see it over there, Toshiba. Now it's active. It's right there. It's easy and quick. I can definitely suggest this product. It's because it is very small and you can take it wherever you want. It has PD in and there is HDMI input and USB-A 3.2. It's about 10 gigabit per second. Either you can use it like that or like that. Either side is okay. Whenever you're done, take it out and just put it in your pocket.